Elgato released a new light, a light strip. Not just only key lights anymore, but also some nice light for the background. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time, twitch.tv/Tree. So let's jump into this montage where I set up the light strip. Today we're going to take a look at this light strip from Elgato that they sent me. I'm pretty curious to see what's in it and if it's as good as the Philips Hue one I have. Goes through the manual. Apparently you can cut the strip smaller. And there's a reset button. It's always nice to have a reset button, I guess. And a lot of languages. Okay, so cut it smaller, tape it, put it in the power socket and connect it to your Elgato app, or your phone, or your PC. That's easy. I've done that tons of times with my key lights, so that should be a piece of cake. This seems to be the LED strip. There's already tape on the back, so we don't need tape. That strip. Attached. And then the power one needs to go in here. And there's some tape for the light strip thing here. We can put this on the wall as well. And then we search a normal power, the European one. One of these is the English one. I think this is the English one, the British one, and I don't know what the other one is for. Maybe you weird Americans with their weird power system, huh? And I think this is warranty. Oh, safety instructions. Do we need that? There's a serial code on the back of this thing. I'm just gonna make a picture, because if I tape this to the wall, I'm never gonna find that serial code back, so at least I got a backup of it. I got my dad to help. It was really fun. Ja, dan onder zou het beste zijn, want ik heb hier boven dat ligt en die Philips Hue onder het andere ligt.
Kijk, ook deze pakken zo.
Ja.
Zo. En dan die daar weer naar beneden.
There's just a sticky part already on it, so you can just stick it wherever you want. We kunnen hem ook kleiner knippen, maar... If you ask me, it kind of worked like the key lights, just the same with setting it up. You can use your phone like with the Elgato key lights, your Stream Deck, or you can do it via PC. The big plus side of this light strip is that it wouldn't flicker on camera, which is really great. I don't see much difference between the Elgato one and the Philips Hue one, but we do see some difference in price. Where the Philips Hue strip might look a little bit cheaper at first, as the strip itself is cheaper. For the Philips Hue strip to work, you need this bridge, Philips Hue bridge as well to work, which is another like 50 bucks. And therefore it makes it a lot more expensive than just buying the Elgato strip. So if you don't have Philips Hue products yet, the Elgato strip is cheaper. Another plus is that it integrates with your Stream Deck and it works well because it is from the same company. You can let it turn on and off if you switch scenes, for example. And I think that makes it really suitable for streamers. A huge thanks to Elgato for sending me this light strip. It is amazing to be able to test out your products and I love it. If you guys haven't seen the video on the Elgato wave panels yet, check this out right here and I'll see you there.